Please tilt your mobile device now for increased visibility. So today I'm going to show you how to utilize the Dropbox feature of the platform. This will let you take content you found on itza.tv as well as on other outside websites and then store it onto your account within seconds. Later, when you have more time, you can organize that content and put it within your various categories from within your Dropbox. To access your Dropbox, click on the box arrow icon in the upper right part of the screen, which can be found here. Now, the normal scenario when you would end up using your Dropbox would be to go to a website you placed on your favorites bar you like to regularly visit. In this case, I'm using the Epoch Times. And then, after looking through the website, let's say you see an article or content that you found interesting to you. You decide you want to save it by putting it in your Dropbox. The first step for you to do is to copy the web page's URL. From there, if you're on a computer or tablet, just click the itza.tv tab, then click on the home page. Go down to the Add Content and Personalized Page tab, and click on the plus Dropbox button. If you're adding content on your phone, you're most likely going to want to copy the URL and then hit the home button or the equivalent. If you have itza.tv as your home page, it will then instantly take you back to Itza. From there, it's just a matter of once again clicking on the plus Dropbox button. After you have pasted your URL into the website URL box, click the favorite item title box below, and provided that the website is SEO compliant, Itza will save you time by converting the URL into a title automatically. From there, just hit the submit button and you'll be taken back to the Dropbox. It's that easy. Amazingly, adding contributors' content to your Dropbox, which is already on Itza, is even easier. All you have to do is click on an item you like. Then, once on the item page, go down to the yellow Quick Add to Dropbox button. Click on it, and then you'll have the option to either modify the name, the description, or just hit submit. Never again do you have to worry about seeing something cool online, forgetting about it, then trying to find it later with no success. Remember, if at a more convenient time you want to modify and relocate this content, this can be done by going to your Dropbox. By scrolling down, you can see my content I clicked on previously has already been added. How to relocate this content you've added will be discussed in the Instructions tab located on the Dropbox page. This has been a walkthrough video on the basics on how to add content to your Dropbox.